In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Zendesk ticket status. Let's walk through this together so you can confidently move a ticket from one stage to the next. We'll start inside the Zendesk agent workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Views icon. It typically looks like a small list or grid and opens the Views panel. Views organize your tickets into handy lists, like unassigned, open, or assigned to you, so it's the fastest way to find what needs attention. Once your Views panel is open, click into the list that contains the ticket you want to update. From there, select the specific ticket by clicking its subject line. This opens the full ticket conversation and details on the right. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct one by checking the requester, recent comments, and any internal notes. This quick review helps ensure you're updating the right case and choosing the most accurate status. Now look toward the bottom of the ticket interface. You'll see a button area with a small drop-down arrow, often labeled something like Submit As, or it may show the current status with an arrow next to it. Click that drop-down arrow to reveal the available status options. This is where you control how the ticket is tracked in your workflow. From the list, choose the status that best reflects where the work stands. Open is typically used when a ticket needs active attention and is in the regular queue. In progress is for when you or your team are actively working on the issue right now. Pending means you're waiting on the requester for more information or confirmation, so the ball is effectively in their court. Solved is used when you've provided a resolution and the issue is considered complete. In many setups, selecting a status from this dropdown will both set the status and submit the update in one action. If your workspace requires it, make sure any required fields are filled out and that your public or internal comment is ready before you choose the status. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Choose pending anytime you've asked the customer a question and can't proceed without their reply. Use in progress when you want the team to know the work is underway, and when you're confident the issue is resolved, pick solved. Just remember tickets may automatically move to closed later based on your organization's workflow. That's it. Click the drop-down, choose the right status, and your update is set.